Let's make jollof spaghetti. But first our ingredients: tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, seasoning, chicken broth, spaghetti, sardine and tomato paste. Chop the fresh tomatoes and set aside. Do the same with the bell pepper. Now chop the onions. Boil water in a pot and add the spaghetti. Monitor till it's soft enough. Drain and run under cold water. Pour oil in a pot. Add the onions and bell pepper. Set aside once it's ready. In the same pot, add the chopped tomatoes and cover to cook. Don't forget to clean up. At this point, add the tomato paste and let it cook. Add the chicken broth. Add fried onions and let it boil. Open a can of sardine and pour the oil. Add your seasoning and the sardine. Place the parboiled spaghetti into the sauce. Mix to combine. Add the bell pepper and food is ready. Would you be trying this? Like and follow for more.